YouTube, what's up? It's your boy Trucker Doc, back with another video for you. It's another ride-along video for you guys today. I do want to thank y'all for fucking with the best goddamn trucking channel on YouTube today. Also want to thank all of my subscribers. You guys are the best goddamn YouTube subscribers on YouTube as it is. How y'all doing? I am in beautiful, beautiful Montana on I-90. I got started about an hour ago. Headed to Henderson, Colorado to drop a load. I wanted you guys to ride along with me on beautiful I-90. See this beautiful scenery. All the new guys out there looking to get into trucking. This is what you have to look forward to. You know, this is beautiful. You know, something new every day. Every day it's something different. And I love it. I love it. A lot of people tell me, oh, well, you're new, blah, 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 blah. No, I know the person I am. And I absolutely love this shit. You get to see new places, get to travel, see different scenery. It's beautiful. I encourage everybody to get out here and, you know, come get this bread. Come get this money. You know, it's money out here to be made. Come make it. You know, plus you get to travel. You know, there's a lot of people out there that won't even make it out of their own neighborhood. You know, they just stay stuck. Be the exception. Be the exception out there and go and make something for yourself. Because this is not a job. This is a career. It's not only a career, it's also a lifestyle. It's a different lifestyle out here. And it's absolutely amazing. If you buy into the lifestyle, it's absolutely amazing. I know I've done a lot of informative videos. I've got a lot of good feedback on it, and I appreciate all the feedback on it. I appreciate everybody that tunes in and watches my videos. I just want to let you know that it's well appreciated. It makes me want to keep doing it. But yeah, so got an early start this morning. I've been driving for about 45 minutes to an hour. Just driving through I-90. There's a lot of curves. Coming into Montana was a little rough last night. Going through Idaho, there's a lot of twists and turns and curves and twists and mountains and upgrades, downgrades, all kind of shit. So that's something you're gonna learn how to drive once you get out here. You have that to look forward to. So that's something you guys just gotta experience. I can't tell you how to drive it. You just gotta know how your truck runs. You gotta know how you run, what you feel comfortable with, and just go. All I can say is take it slow. Take it slow. That's the best thing I can say. Like I said, look at this beautiful mountain coming up on my left-hand side. Like, it's absolutely gorgeous. Yeah, so I just kind of wanted to touch base with you guys, let you see the scenery. You know, I'm starting this new ride-along video type deal, so bear with me if it's not perfect. Ignore the dirty windshield. You know, these suicidal bugs out here. If you're a truck driver, you know all about that. If you're looking to become into trucking, you will soon find out all about these suicidal bugs. You clean your window 1 minute, drive down the road about 20 miles, and your windshield is full of dead bugs again. So yeah, it's just absolutely amazing. I've been with Swift Transportation. I've been trucking for about 5 months now. So what you guys have to look forward to is next month, I'm going to do a 6-month video, a 6-month update. I'm going to talk about everything. I'm going to bear all. I'm going to talk about pay, driver leaders, planners, load assignments, what troubled me, what I had the most difficulties with, what seems easy. I'm gonna do that all in a video, and it's gonna be a longer video, so I hope you guys tune into it, because it's gonna be a lot of useful information that you'll be able to use on your journey and your career. So I hope that you guys just tune in and watch the whole video, and just find out some good information. All you newbies out there, look forward to that, because it's going to be a lot of useful information. I'm going to talk about how I switched from dry van to reefer, why I switched from dry van to reefer, what I like best about each one, which one I think that you guys should choose, and we're just going to go from there. So they got that coming up. Like I said, I'm just cruising down I-90 right now. I'm on this road for about another 75 miles before I get on I-15. So I'm gonna go ahead and leave it at that. I do want to thank you guys for checking in, watching the video. Like, comment, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to let you know when a new video is going to drop. I definitely appreciate you guys. This is Trucker Doc signing out. Thank you.